Hey all, in this session we are going to see how we can able to perform mouse over operation on any web element. The entire code is available in this GitHub location. So first we will go to one demo site. In this case I am using this demo site. Then afterward I am going to mouse over on computers button. Then when you mouse over on computer button, you can see this pop-up window is going to open menu button. Then afterward you will go to the electronics. There you can see another two buttons are going to open. So we are going to perform this operation by using robot framework. So let's go and create one program, robot test suite, mouse over demo. I am importing one Selenium library. Yes, now mouse over demo program. I'm going to open a browser. Open browser. I'm going to open this URL. I'm going to open this in a Chrome browser. Then afterward maximize the browser window. Then afterward by using mouse over command we can able to open the perform the mouse operation option. Here in this case computers, I need to perform this computers. So I need to locate the element is the A computers. So I can use okay, partial link computers, then sleep for 10 seconds, then same operation, mouse over partial link. And this time I need to perform on electronics. So electronics, then again sleep for 10 seconds, then close the browser. Now done. Let's see whether it's going to run or not. So right mouse button, run the program. Execution started. Open the Chrome browser. Now go and navigating to the website. Now maximize the window. Now it is going to the computers. You can see mouse is pointed to more computers and pop-up windows appeared. Now it is going to, after 10 seconds, it is going to electronics button, and here there you can able to see the pop-up window under electronics. So it is waiting for 10 seconds, I think. Yeah, I think it's not executed, but why electronics here? I think here the everything is in a capital letter. We are written in a small letter. That is the reason it's not executed. So electronics partial link test. Now go and see. Here I'll change to 5 seconds. Right mouse button. Run the program again. Open browser. Website is open. Now maximize. On the computers it's open. Now it is going to, after 5 seconds you go to electronics menu. Electronics, why it's not working? Let's see what is an issue. It's failed. Why it is failed? Partial link electron. Here his spelling is wrong. Electronics. Yes. Now run one more time. Visualization started. Now CD go to computers. 5 seconds. Afterward, it has to navigate to electronics menu. Yes, here you can see now electronic pop-up menu. We can able to see cameras, photo, and cell phones. The menu is open. After 15 seconds, it is going to close the browser. Yeah, that's all. So by using mouse over button, we can able to perform the mouse over operation on any web element. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar kind of videos.